Campaigns shouldn't take 2 weeks of back and forth content reviews. Hi, I'm Justin. I'm a product marketing manager at Canva. Let me show you how our team keeps things moving, stays in sync, and launches without all the usual friction. We start strategizing in a whiteboard. The infinite space allows us to jot down ideas, tag in collaborators, and align with stakeholders, all in one place in real time. Once the idea is locked, it's straight into execution. Multi-format templates powered by our brand kit keeps everything on brand, from presentation slides to social posts and everything in between, all in one tidy file that's easy to review. When it comes to approvals, they should feel effortless. Built-in workflows send our assets to the right people in the right order with a full version history and visibility. That means fewer emails, fewer follow-ups, and faster launches. When we're rolling out to global markets, we can lock down key design elements and leave text editable, so local teams can translate copy in one click without risking off-brand changes. Hitting publish feels good, but we all know that's not where the campaign ends. From there, we schedule across channels, track what's working, and build on what performs, all from one simple dashboard. What used to take 14 days now happens in as little as 3, with less back and forth, smoother collaboration, and complete brand control. Want to see how many days your marketing team can save on their campaign processes? Have a chat with our sales team to find out more.